Why does your scanner show the P0218 engine code? What does it mean? P0218 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission over temperature. This engine code indicates that the transmission fluid has exceeded the manufacturer's safe operating temperature. This is a serious issue that can lead to severe transmission damage and potential failure if not addressed promptly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Transmission fluid leaks. Clogged or restricted transmission cooler. Malfunctioning cooling fan. Excessive towing or heavy load. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevy, GMC, Buick, Ford Transit, and Jeep Liberty models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.